The Tanoxo 14,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is built for powerful cooling, effortlessly handling spaces up to 700 square feet. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With a cooling power of 14,000 BTU, ASHRAE, and 10,000 BTU, SACC, this unit brings fast and efficient relief to large rooms, whether it's your living room, bedroom, garage, or home office. Its compact design paired with quiet operation and versatile performance makes it an excellent year-round companion for any indoor setting. Equipped with 4 intuitive modes, cool, fan, dehumidifier, and sleep, Tanoxo delivers tailored climate control to suit different needs. The cooling mode quickly brings down room temperature, the dehumidifier function tackles excess moisture during humid days, while the fan circulates air for improved ventilation. Sleep mode ensures peaceful nighttime operation under 48 decibels, maintaining comfort without disrupting rest. Plus, with 3 fan speeds and adjustable airflow angles, it guarantees even and efficient cooling throughout the space. Controlling the unit is seamless thanks to the user-friendly LED touch panel and the included remote control with a 23-foot range. Whether you're across the room or nearby, adjusting temperature, mode, or fan speed is as easy as a tap. Smart mode, powered by an internal temperature sensor, automatically switches between cooling and fan settings to keep the room climate just right, no manual changes needed. Sleep mode also optimizes energy consumption, helping reduce electricity costs while keeping your nights cool and comfortable. Mobility and setup are just as convenient. The portable AC features 360-degree caster wheels and a recessed handle, allowing you to move it room to room with ease. Installation is straightforward with the included universal window kit and exhaust hose, no additional tools needed. Just snap the parts together, fit the unit to a sliding window, and you're ready to go in minutes. Even better, it handles moisture internally under 85% humidity levels, so there's usually no need for manual drainage. In short, the Tanoxo 14,000 BTU Portable AC is a smart, efficient, and adaptable cooling solution that brings professional-grade performance to your home environment.